What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to share with you guys my exact trading plan, and I will actually give you the document itself so you guys can replicate and create your own trading plan as well. Before we get started, a couple of announcements. If you guys are new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. I have a ton of other videos based around trading that will help you guys out. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, pause this video, look on the icon on my screen, go shoot me a follow, and let's connect more closely. And if you guys are looking for a prop firm that you guys can't fund it with, you can go to Apex Trader Funding, use this code on the screen, and it will give you 50% off your order. And one last thing, if you guys want to trade live with me on a Zoom call, I have a free 7-day trial, so you can get on a Zoom call with me Monday through Friday at 6:30 a.m. PST, and you could trade live with me. Click the link in the description to sign up for that. Now, without further ado, let's get in my computer. So this right here is my trading plan, and I did put the document for you guys to view and copy in the description. So if you guys go to my document, you can actually go and just copy the whole thing, and then you can go and open up a new drive folder and you can print it out, or you can paste it on your screen. Now, my first column are my goals. I have short-term goals, mid-term, and long-term goals. For my short-term goals, I want to get 7 figures in prop from accounts. And another one is to get $500,000 in my Trade-A-Vate account, to grow it to $500,000, I should say. 3 to 6 months right here. Midterm, these are 6 to 12 month goals. Get $1 million in my Trade-A-Vate, as well as having my 7 figures in prop from accounts. Long-term goal, these are like 2 to 3 year goals. That's to get $10 million in my Trade-A-Vate account. So that's just growing my account from where it's at now to $500,000, then to $1 million, then $10 million. And those are like my main goals that I'm focused on within my trading account. Now, the next thing is the type of trader. This is what type of trader I am. You guys need to determine what type of trader you are. So here is my overall analysis on the type of trader I am. I am a scalp / intraday trader. Since I'm trading on the 1 minute time frame, I will verify myself as a scalp trader, but some of the trades that I take are going to play out a little bit longer, and they may go from the whole, or they may go for the whole entire session. So that's why I kind of look at scalp / intraday trader for myself. I look for trending markets to catch a reversal, higher low, lower high, or continuation setup with the FVG. I don't do well in choppy markets. Once I take a trade, I walk away, set, and forget. You guys need to be able to identify this for yourself. Time frames. Minute 1 is my main time frame. I do use a minute 5, minute 15, and day 1 for overall reversals or continuations. Pairs I trade. I only trade NQ, ES, YM. Market conditions. I don't trade choppy markets, and I don't trade news events like CPI, FOMC, and NFP. I also don't trade on Wednesdays. Lately, I have been trading on Wednesdays, so I can actually go and take this part out right here. Now, these are some of my trading rules. We'll take this one out since we just determined that that's fine. 3 trades per day max. Never risk more than 3% per trade. This one right here is very important, and I would suggest that you guys just copy my exact trading rules. Don't try and overcomplicate it. Guys, keep it super simple. Just copy some of the rules that I have right here, and if you need to add in your own rules, you can definitely do that. If I take 2 losses back to back, I'm done for the week. No setup, no trade. This is my most important rule right here. If I don't see my trade setup, I'm not going to take a trade. And I actually was on live with some of my students, and we did take a loss today. I will be very uncensored and real with you guys. We took a loss trading today. And I wasn't angry or upset, because when we were looking at the market to take the trade, it was my perfect setup. Everything that was on the chart, it was in alignment with what I view as my entry model and my perfect setup. So even though I did take a loss, I wasn't frustrated. I followed my plan. I used proper risk management. I know that most of my trades have a 2 to 1, if not a 3 to 1, 4 to 1, or 5 to 1 risk to reward ratio. I did everything that I needed to do in order to make sure the trade was valid. And even though I took a loss, cool, my risk was in check and everything else was good. So I need you guys to understand that if you do take a loss, that's not the end of the world. The market isn't always going to do exactly what you want it to do, and that's just the reality of being a trader. So risk management, I'll risk 1 to 3% on funded accounts and live accounts. And you guys can determine your risk too. Maybe you want to use 0.5% per trade. The way that I look at it, and I'll make more videos on PDFs and things that I use to enhance my trading, the way that I look at it is you guys want to be monitoring your levels of confidence. When you're looking at your ideal perfect setup, how confident are you really with that trade that you're looking at? Are you feeling low levels of confidence, high levels of confidence, medium levels of confidence? And that's where I kind of will base how much I'm going to risk on a trade by my levels of confidence. When I'm feeling high levels of confidence, cool, I'll risk 3%. If I'm feeling really, really low levels of confidence, but my setup is still there, it looks good, I'll risk 0.5%, I'll risk 1%. So you guys need to keep that in mind. Your risk management is very key. It's going to either make you or break you. Withdrawal rules, and you guys are going to have to come up with this on your own, or you can use like an example of mine. With prop firms, I'll withdraw when they allow me to. With live accounts, I'll withdraw anything after the deposit. So this is one way of going about it, and you guys can use trade copiers, and you can have multiple accounts. So ideally, you could go on this idea right here with one account. With live accounts, I'll withdraw everything after the deposit. So if you put $10,000 in there and your account turns to $15,000, take out $5,000. So you could have one account that's like you have initial deposit in it, and anything after that you withdraw it. And you can also have like more of a long-term account. So you could have an account with $20,000 in it, and every single amount that you make on that, you only take out 20%. So you have 80% of the account that's still growing gradually, but you're still rewarding yourself and giving yourself 20%. So it's really up to you guys what you want to do with the withdrawal rules and how you want to go about that. Like I said, you should have multiple accounts. So maybe one account is a long-term account and one account is a short-term account, but you have a trade copier. So every trade that you take on one specific account, it copies to this account, and this account, however many accounts you guys have. So that's what I wanted to go over with you guys in this video. Document is in the description so you guys can access that. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Not a lot of people made it to the end of the video, but you did. Make sure you share this video with a friend. Also, comment below. I want to know who you guys are and how I can help you guys out with your trading. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping weekly videos every single week on trading to help you guys out. Look forward to seeing you guys soon.